Hello, my YouTube family. How are you guys doing? Welcome back home. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, compliment of the season. I just want to use this opportunity to give God glory and to appreciate Him for all He did for me last year and this year, believing that this year will be the best. Okay, guys, this hair you seen actually installed it last year, December. That December was so busy for me. That was why I was unable to make or post any video. Okay, guys, so in this video I had to wash the hair before weaving it. Sorry, I could not show the place where I was washing and weaving the hair because of time. There was no time for me to do all of that. So the next thing was to wear her a black net, though I was supposed to use a brown net, but at this point in time the brown wasn't available, so I had to make use of what I had with me, and that was the black net. Please, very well that I may not be that good in explaining, but please, I believe this video is self-explanatory, so where there's need for me to talk, I will just talk. So I know at this point some people will be wondering, why am I using scissors instead of razor? For me, scissors, a sharp scissors per se, we do it better. But when you get to the place where it's kind of glue, you can use razor if you want. But please, when you're doing this, you just have to be extremely careful so that you don't cut the skin or the ear of your clients. So that's just it. You can use any of them, anyone you're more comfortable using. You can use any of them. Like you see, I used both here. That's to show you that you can use anyone you want to use. Let's not forget, guys, please do well to subscribe. If you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Please click on the notification button so that whenever I come online, you'll be notified. And please, this year 2023, you guys just have to take me higher and higher. Please, I am nothing without you guys. I am nothing. This channel is nothing without your help and your support. Please support this channel. Please support your girl so that I too will grow. Please, I really appreciate my returning subscribers. I really appreciate all those watching and those who are commenting. May God bless you. I really appreciate it. God bless you guys so much. Thank you. Okay, guys.